Pepsi is one of the leading beverage brands in the world, loved for its refreshing and distinctive flavor. One of the factors contributing to Pepsi's success is its modern and advanced production process. In particular, the mass production process of Pepsi plastic bottles that we will explore in today's video is one of the important steps, helping to bring the product to consumers quickly and effectively. At the plastic recycling plant, plastic waste goes through a strict classification process to select the necessary types of plastic. Modern sorting line automatically sorts plastic accurately and quickly. These plastics are then crushed to continue the recycling process. At this machine, after the plastic is crushed, it will be cleaned to completely remove all dust and dirt stuck to the plastic pieces. Next, at this modern machine, plastic will be automatically sorted by color to ensure the quality and uniformity of the recycled product. Clear white plastics, after being carefully selected, will be processed and recycled into high-quality plastic pellets. These plastic pellets will then be used as raw materials for the production of new plastic bottles. Starting the plastic bottle production process, recycled plastic pellets will be mixed with additives to enhance the quality and durability of the product. Next in the process, the plastic mixture is heated and melted in a high-temperature extruder. Once the plastic has reached its ideal melting state, it is extruded through special molds. Liquid plastic will go through a molding process to form plastic bottle blanks. Plastic bottle blanks are semi-finished products that have the same shape as bottles but are unfinished. Starting the plastic bottle blowing process, the plastic bottle blanks will be automatically transported by the machine to the heating furnace. Here, the bottle blanks will be softened by heating to the appropriate temperature. This heating process is important because it makes the plastic flexible and easy to shape in the next steps. The bottle blanks will be continuously rotated in the heating furnace to ensure uniform temperature distribution over the entire surface. When the bottle preforms reach the desired softness, they will be ready for the next blow molding step, where the bottle preforms will be inflated into complete plastic bottles with the shape and size as originally designed. Please note that at this position, the bottle embryos, after being heated, will be inserted into the mold. Here, a high pressure of blowing air will be applied, forcing the bottle blanks to swell and shape into molds to form complete plastic bottles. Blowing air pressure is strictly controlled to ensure that the resin fills every corner of the mold, creating a final product of high quality and uniformity. See this powerful stamping machine. With strong force and high precision, This press will press hot plastic particles into bottle caps that fit tightly and firmly. At the same time, Pepsi's mixing engineers also mixed Pepsi water to prepare for the bottling process. Starting the bottling process, the plastic bottles will be automatically cleaned with water. The plastic bottles will be passed through an automatic washing system, where they are thoroughly rinsed with clean water under high pressure. This helps ensure each bottle is clean and ready for the next stage. After plastic bottles are cleaned, they will go through a drying stage to completely remove excess water, ensuring it does not affect the quality of the beverage inside. Next, the automatic system will quickly fill plastic bottles with Pepsi water. They will then be labeled to form complete Pepsi bottles. Lines with small bottles will be labeled before the Pepsi filling process takes place. Once the bottling process is complete, Pepsi engineers conduct random quality checks to ensure that the bottles meet the highest standards before being released to market. This quality testing process includes evaluating many different factors, such as the tightness of the lid, the amount of CO2 in the beverage, the taste, and the transparency of Pepsi water. Randomly selected bottles will undergo rigorous tests to ensure that they meet Pepsi's quality standards. Once the bottles have passed quality inspection, they move to the packaging process. Here, Pepsi bottles will be placed into crates or pallets and carefully sealed. Finally, these Pepsi crates will be shipped to distributors and retail stores, ready for consumers.